Yes, I
It's like she said yes.
Yes, you're gonna love apple juice just like mama? Or you're gonna love orange juice? You know mama used to love orange juice with brother, yes. Say morning.
Morning.
Hi Faith. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, we are up and getting our morning routine going. What are we doing? Getting ready for where?
Up school.
No, there's no more up school. We don't go up school anymore.
Only baby go up school.
No, it's just that we don't go up school anymore.
Just me.
No, you and anybody, but we don't go there anymore because mama is home on the day when you go up school, so we don't need to go there. You guys, baby's gone to work. Get up.
I love you. Sis, we are going to park Phoenix in the tram. And then I want to go to Park Phoenix.
Rose put the humidifier in the room last night, so I guess that kind of helped him for him to not feel so bad, and we gave him honey and lemon, so that kind of make his cold not so bad this morning. So we are getting ready to head to school. Baby girl is sleeping. I know by the time I finish getting Tyler ready, she'll be awake for Titi.
Mama, you are funny.
Oh, mama. All right, I'm here. Oh. All right. Say morning. Say morning. Say morning, babe. Say morning, babe.
Baby sister. Baby sister.
All ready for school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say morning.
Baby sister.
She's smiling.
Baby sister. Baby sister.
She's hearing you, Dad.
Want to see her?
Yeah, dear.
Oh.
Alright, remember you're having a little cold. You can't hug her until you get better.
To hug her.
No, just a little. You did already. You're gonna make her sick. You want her to get sick? Exactly. So we can't do that.
Let me
You
look
have to
at
get
it.
better first. What you doing?
Look at me, it's cold coming out.
No, no cold not coming out. Ty, back up.
I feel cold coming out.
Then go get a mushroom. Go on.
But
Go.
it's not coming out.
Why? You're crazy. Anyway, tell Faith see them later.
I'll see you again today. That?
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna
You
get
gonna-
Tyler ready, and we're gonna head out to drop Tyler to school. Who is all ready to go drop brother at school? Who is all ready to go drop brother at school? My babies. All right, let me feed her so we can go.
Okay, I want to feel mama.
Come, lemon and honey before school.
More. One more and then they finish.
Yeah, because there's no more.
Huh?
There's no more.
Yeah.
There's a little bit more in the cup. Alright. Go and get your bag. It's in a chair. So we're gonna school to drop brother. We're gonna school to drop brother.
And then you're going to Lumba Lopitat. And then you're going to Lumba Lopitat Jamaican.
I'm not going to Lumba Hospital today.
You're going where when you drop me? You're going where when you drop me?
I'm coming back home. Tell us later.
Later.
You guys, I'm back from dropping Tyler at school. Princess is here. I had to put her in hat and long sleeve page this morning because the morning is so cool. Like cool for us, but probably you guys would say it's not cool. It's a little bit chill with the wind this morning outside, but this is what I have on, so you know it's not cold. It's just chill for her. So I put on long sleeve on her, and I make sure I let Tyler wear long sleeve to school because he is having this runny nose. But anyway, I'm gonna make some breakfast right now because I'm hungry and this stomach is growling and you don't want to give baby girl gas. So let's do this. Breastfeeding struggles. I finished eating.
We'll see.
I finished eating my toast.
I'm gonna take my clothes out.
And I am super hungry still.
I'm gonna see.
So I'm going to make a smoothie.
Be ready, and then obviously, if it goes, then I'm gonna come out.
Sarah is actually in her chair and is falling asleep. Let me show you guys her.
Yeah, have you had breakfast? Yeah, I'm just having breakfast. You need to have breakfast now.
Look at her. Knocked out.
You don't have what?
You haven't seen morning.
Oh, morning, guys.
She's not feeling well.
My dairy is still acting up.
Craving, you're craving.
Oh, I was being
You eat
silly.
what you know you're not supposed to, huh?
Yeah, I should have had a sorbet, but we're in Italy and I thought, it's Italy, you have to have gelato, right? Oh, here's the result.
Stuffy. Anyway, you guys, I'm making my smoothie right now. And of course, my usual banana, strawberries, and mango. And I are home alone at the moment, and I attempt to wash my hair. My hair is overdue for washing. And while Mama is doing that, she's right there, right at my foot chilling. You're right at my foot chilling? Yes? Huh? You're so sweet. Hey. You guys, Princess is such a good girl. I finally finished braiding my hair, going back ways. I braid my hair because Priscilla Priscilla is on my mind, I guess, because I just came off the phone with her. Rose is making some wigs for me, and you girl need to try them wigs properly. So I braid my hair going back ways after I finish washing it, and I paused during that, look after Princess, and she's back to sleep. She just feels she's in and out of sleep. Look at her. See her in and out of sleep. Sweet girl. Look who I got from school. I'm obsessed with his sister, of course. Ty, be careful.
Mama.
You had a good day?
Yes.
Nice.
We need to eat that something is fresh every day because every day is hot.
That's true. You guys, I forget to show you guys what I made for dinner. I did quinoa and some fish, and bingo, voila. So Tyler is doing his Lego he got from Uncle G.
That is
And
finished.
there it goes. He finished it all by himself. I couldn't film to show you guys his process because I was busy with Sarah. But there it is. Doing what he loves, building Legos. Tell her, can you say thank you to Uncle Glenn?
Thank you, Uncle Glenn.
What you building now?
I'm building the machine of
Ah, okay.
Yes, guys.
Show them. There you go. Good job, Ty. You did
Okay,
well.
now can they play with that?
Sure, it's yours.
Okay.
Go to your room, play with them a bit, and in 15 to 20 minutes, Mama is coming to put you to bed, okay? Alright.
Yeah.
Ah, Mama love apple juice. Mama love apple
Luckily they're on the
juice.
ground.
You gonna love apple juice? You gonna love apple juice? Yes, I
It's like she said yes.
Yes, you're gonna love apple juice just like Mama? Or you're gonna love orange juice? You know Mama used to love orange juice with brother? Yes. 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 Yes, I know. You're gonna love apple juice just like Mama. Yes, I know. Yes. Yeah, what else you gonna love like Mama? Are you gonna love pretty clothes like Mama? Yes, and you're gonna love shoes like Mama? Well, girl, you already have a lot of shoes, girl. Yes, girlfriend. Yes, honey. Yes, I know, girl. I know. Mama have been waiting for this moment to talk to you forever, girl. Do you know that? And she finally have her girl to talk to. We're gonna have lots of girl chats.
Her reaction.
And we're gonna do lots of painting of our nails together. We're gonna do our hairs together. Right? We're gonna team up on Papa and brother. Right, girl? Yes, I know. I know. And you and Mama gonna go on lunch dates together. And we're gonna wear matching clothes together. Yes, I know. You're excited. Say, Mama, you're crazy up here. You're crazy. And you're gonna be crazy like Mama. I know, girl. Oh, Mama frighten you?
It's like she, you know she ain't blinking. No.
Oh, lemon and honey.
No lemon and honey.
You're only getting one tonight and get one in the morning. Come. Sorry, brother, sick. No kisses for you and no hug.
So hard.
Look how you're getting sick when we to travel this weekend. Don't rub your eye with your hand.
I guess back to school got him.
Oh yeah. The back to school blues. Once Tyler starts school, him get sick. The rest is tomorrow. I'm gonna put the humidifier in here for a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Say prayer.
Say prayers. Close eyes, clasp hands.
Do you promise that I need to hug somebody?
And now Sarah
Pray
gonna hug me.
Mama, pray Papa, pray to God to bless me, to make me a little child for Christ's sake. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Lord, for this house and for Mama, Papa, big sister, and Tyler for Mama, family and friends. Amen.
Amen. You only can kiss Mama and Papa on the cheek, okay?
Bye.
Because you're not feeling well, Pumpkin.
Papa.
Come.
Papa.
You Papa, kiss it here. Ty, hurry.
Papa.
Anyway, tell Faves night night.
Tonight.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, well, it's the end of the day now. I'm back from work. I had a long day today. I had a long day. You didn't see me much. It's Monday and struggle to wake up, miss the bus, get catch by the traffic, miss the train. That was a terrible day. That was a terrible day to start, but yeah, I'm okay now. Otherwise my day wasn't bad. Otherwise, but they change all of the bus in the city, and it's terrible. Either the bus get catch on the traffic, either the bus don't come, they're late, all of these things. So well, you better just sit on the bus stop and take it. Otherwise everything is fine. I want to say a special thank you to Uncle Jay for the gift that he sent to Tyler and Sarah especially. So yeah, thank you for all of this. They really appreciate. Tyler was at it right away, so yeah, Tyler was happy, so thank you again. Otherwise, yeah, everything. I hope you all enjoy today vlog. I hope you have fun with us. I want to say some things. My little or should I say my big toes is hurting me. Tyler is jumping all over. It's like 2, 3, 4 times a day he step on my foot, and it always happens when I don't have no shoes and when he is on shoes. So I wonder if it's only happening to me or if it's all the parents that get that, like their kids don't pay attention and they always step on your foot. That hurt. That's why I said to Tyler, it's like today I said to Tyler, it's hurting Papa every time you do that, and now Papa foot is hurting you. And then I tell him, what did I say to you? And he say, not to go too often on your foot. Like he wanted to tell me that 1 time is okay but not too much. 0 time is okay. Tyler, if you listen to me, 0 time is okay. My foot is hurting, and I hope, well, it's bad to say that I hope it's not only happening to me. Well, I hope I'm not an exception, should I say, but I hope your foot are good. Anyways, the end of the day. Well, today is Monday. It's gonna be a long week, and we're gonna finish the week with a great way. So yeah, you don't want to miss that. It's only Monday. Catch up and keep up. Give give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to write whatever you want. Tell us, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.